Hello YouTube viewers, welcome back to my channel. I've got this Waltham pocket watch. I'm doing a video on gold refining for gold-filled scrap, and this is a gold-filled pocket watch. And if you look in there, you see that the second hand has come off. And what I'm going to try to do here, if I can, on the camera, is see if I can get this thing open and get that hand back on there. I'm not a qualified watch repair person here, and I don't quite exactly know what the heck I'm doing. All right, there's the faces off of there. Looks to be in good shape. It's not cracked or chipped. The face on this watch looks pretty good. I don't see no chips or cracks on the face. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach down here. I can't see very well. I'm trying to do this for the camera. But let's see if we can get this second hand here. I got a piece of beeswax. If I can just get it to turn over for me. There we go. I'm going to try to stick it back down onto the shaft on the watch face. Let's see what we got going here. Okay, I can see it. And let me get that screwdriver to kind of hold it. Get it on there? I don't think so. Doesn't look like it's lined up. Let's see here. Start over. There it goes. Went back on the shaft there. I don't want to press real hard on it. But we got it back on. And I'm going to wind it up. Goes. It's running. Let's see, I've got what is that, 47, 547. I'll set this thing. Oops. 540, we'll make it 48. Now let's see if we can get the cover back on. It's got a slot here, so it's idiot proof. Slot right here lines up with this slot. Let's see if we can get this back on here. Snap. It's back on. Folks, I think we got us a nice pocket watch here, gold filled. Let's see how big that thing is. This thing is going to be like 42 millimeters, 42.5 millimeters wide. And let's take a look at the movement back here. Still running. It opens up, you press this crown here, and boom, the front should pop open. So this thing will probably need to be serviced. Let's see if we can open this up. I just stick it under that slot and twist it just barely without pushing. You don't want to push the end of the metal. That's already open. I had that open earlier. That's why it's already open. There's a picture of the movement. Movement looks good. And it's a running, operating watch here, man. Very nice. There's the serial number. So what we'll do, now that I got that hand pressed back on there, we'll we'll put this up for sale on my eBay store. Alrighty, man. That'll do it. I'm not a watch person, but I figured I could handle putting the second hand back on there. Alright, there's a couple more condition issues that I wanted to point out here. The bail up here, you see that the materials wore off of the bail. The gold filled material is gone, and it's worn off of the crown as well. And there's one other thing I wanted to show back here. Let me open this back up so we can take a look back here again. Alright, just click it ever so slightly. And I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. It says 20 years. Right in here it says 20 years. That means it's warranted against wear. Taken in and out of your pocket. You can do that for 20 years before the 14K gold will wear off. And the base metal, the brass underneath, will start shining through. Alright, that'll do it for this video. I'm going to put this on my eBay store. Still running. Looks good. Alright, thanks for watching the video.